Greetings, friends. My name is Aneta Barton, and I'll be presenting at the 2026 NGH Convention and Educational Conference. Join me on Friday, August 7th, 2026 at 9 a.m. for Harnessing an Untapped Superpower, Microexpressions. Did you know that microexpressions are the deepest form of listening? Microexpressions come before thought. I'd like to think of microexpressions as our first language. As infants, we gaze deep into our caretaker's eyes, and somehow, without a conscious awareness, we understood the message that they were transmitting to us. This decoding still exists within us, but we have forgotten how to use it for our benefit. So if you'd like to improve your pre-talk and your engagement with your client, maybe even the presentation of yourself, join me at the NGH convention on Friday, August 7th at 9 a.m. I'm looking forward to sharing these secrets with you. Hope to see you soon.